Hello everyone, my name is Parth. Welcome back to Glotic. In today's video, we are going to learn 20 very simple and very useful Russian phrases that you can use every single day in your daily life. These sentences will help you to greet people, ask questions, express your feelings, and talk with confidence. If you are a beginner, don't worry, I will explain everything slowly, clearly, and with the easy pronunciation. So make sure to watch the video till the end because these sentences will really improve your daily Russian speaking. So get ready, take your notebook, and let's start learning Russian in a easiest and simplest way. So in this lecture, we are going to learn top 20 Russian phrases that will help you in your daily life. So now the first one will be hello. In Russian, it will be привет, привет. Second one will be good morning. It will be dobre utra, dobre utra. Third one will be good afternoon. It will be dobre din, dobre din. Fourth will be good evening. It will be dobre večer, dobre večer. Fifth will be how are you? It will be kagdela, kagdela. And if you want to answer that question, if you want to answer this question, you will say I am fine. In Russian, it will be Yav Paratke. Yav Paratke. Okay. Seventh one will be thank you. It will be Spasiba. Spasiba. Eighth one will be please. It will be Pazalusta. Pazalusta. Ninth one will be sorry or excuse me. It will be Izvinete. In Russian, sorry or excuse me are pronounced as the same word. That is Izvinete. Tenth one will be I don't understand. In Russian, it will be Yani Panimayu. Yani Panimayu. 11th will be where are you? In Russian, it will be Gade Tve. Gade Tve. 12th will be what is this? In Russian, it will be Sto Eta. Sto Eta. 13 will be how much is this? In Russian, it will be Skulka eta stovet. Skulka eta stovet. Okay. Skulka eta stovet means how much is this? 14 will be I need help. In Russian, it will be Minya Nujna Pomosh. Minya Nujna Pomosh. Okay. 15 will be wait a minute. In Russian, it will be Podasti minuto. Podasti minuto. Okay. 16 will be let's go. In Russian, it will be Poidom. Poidom. 17 will be see you soon. It will be Das Korova. Das Korova. Okay. 18 will be goodbye. In Russian, it will be Paka. Paka. 19 will be what happened. It will be Sto slow chillus. Sto slow chillus. Okay. Last one will be everything is okay. In Russian, it will be Vasa Paryatka. Vasa Paryatka. Okay. So that is all in this video. I hope these 20 very useful Russian sentences help you to speak more confidently in your daily life. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also tell me in the comment which Russian sentences was your favorite and what topic you want me to teach next. So thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next video.